What's the meaning of alias? Alias. 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 Alias.
Alias is a term used to refer to a name or label that serves as a substitute or alternative for another. It is commonly used in computer systems to create a shortcut for a command or a file, simplifying complex commands and reducing typing effort. The use of aliases can also help to maintain privacy by masking a user's identity. In summary, an alias provides a convenient shorthand for referring to something or someone, allowing for easier communication and management of information.